Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I have for you guys review, first impression of some products that Telesin sent to me. Full disclosure, Telesin contacted me and asked if I had interest to review some of their products, which I said yes straight away. And that's because I already used Telesin product. I used this shoulder strap that most of the times I have with me as a emergency, other second view, point of view thing, and impossible to live without it. The Telesin battery charge for the GoPro. You guys know that I film primarily on the GoPro when I'm outside, so this is extremely important to me to have the battery always packed, charged. So I already used that product, so when they asked if I wanted to review, that was a no-brainer. I like the product, and this way I can share with you guys also some different products, share with you my process of filming when I'm riding, and managing to give a discount code for you guys. So if you want to order anything from Telesin, there is an affiliate link. I get a little kickback, helps the channel, and you use the code Kading Streets, you get 10% off. So what they sent to me, I'm gonna open up on the camera. All right. Nicely packed with the bubbles, everything separate. This is not a unpacking channel, but I'm at least gonna give you my first impressions, right? So basically what I asked them to send me was the three things that I use when I'm recording. The GoPro pocket, this is mini tripod selfie stick that I use for the GoPro. This is normally where my GoPro is at 99% of the time. I had it just in my pocket whenever I want to record. I pull it out, start filming. So this is very, very important to me. And the other one is, you guys have seen many times, POV. I normally have the GoPro one on the chest. They have this, and I'm very curious to see the quality, how good of use it is, because also the price is quite different from the GoPro's one. And this is an awesome extra that I have actually used from a different brand as well. It's this universal clamp, so that if I want, I can put the camera on the seat post, on the seat stay, on some place in the street, so I can pass by and have like B-rolls and stuff like that. Really, really cool. And the third little thing to make everything work seamlessly is the quick release adapter set, because the clamp comes with a quick release. The chest mount, I believe it should also come with the quick release, and then the mini tripod doesn't have a quick release, but adding the set to this will make easy to just switch from the tripod, the chest, anything else that I want. So I'm very, very excited to check this out and have the feel, at least the first impression for their quality. So let me open the boxes and share with you guys. First thing I'm gonna open up is the quick release adapter set, just so we can put on the GoPro already. Nice simple packaging. Comes with the manual. I believe we're not gonna need this. And comes with the adapter. This is something I'm really, really looking forward to try, because on the current setup I have, there's also a quick release, but the quick release I have only has a friction system to hold the camera, and using it for as long as I have, the friction is gone, and I actually dropped the GoPro several times while I'm riding. but this one has a locking mechanism. So after it got to the point, it snaps to rotate to take out. Magnet. Ooh, a little spring system. Nice. And then boom. Ah, yes, this is sturdy. All right, so how it works. GoPro, I'm gonna put it like that. The knob. Boom. So these can be sat on the camera, set and forget there. And now all we need whenever we need to change from one place to the other, we press, rotate, boom, from one place to the other. Nice. Oh, satisfying click. Cool. So this is the set, and it comes with 2 other female parts of it as well. Now, the mini tripod. Let's see. Nicely packed. And go. Oh. Nice. With some paperwork as well. We don't need that. And in a small size, this is normally like inside my pocket, and then the GoPro is sticking out, and I just pull the GoPro out. Very nice quality, nice rubber feet. Opens as a mini tripod, expands a little bit. That's more than enough for normally these kind of views. And now having that there, nice and snuggle. Alright, just needed some persuasion, being like a new set. The plastics, I guess the tolerance is a bit tighter, but now I can have this just inside my pocket whenever I need. Take it out, start recording, and if I need to change the position of the camera, boom, to the chest, back, lock. Ooh, nice. The lock is so nice. Okay. Extend. All right, let me check. Now, the chest mount. This one I would need a little knife. Again, comes with a quick release adapter in an angle, so when you put on the chest, when you put in the chest, you can see. A little bag, more of that, it's always good. And the chest part itself, nice wide chest plate to make it comfortable. Feels very sturdy. I like. Simple opening mechanism. And the chest piece as well already comes set with the quick release, so I can just remove and stick to the chest. Now I can adjust the angle, or I can have with the angle. So then the GoPro, the clicking is so nice, especially when you're writing. I need those audio cues to know that the GoPro is recording. So I always have the annoying but necessary beeping to know that I started recording. And this, to give that security that it is safe. I like it. Let me just quickly put around the chest. Okay, so it goes like this. Nice. Okay. Nice and sturdy. Hey, the little Telesin logo there. That's nice. You can slide out if you don't like it, but feels nice and sturdy on the chest. And GoPro, click, start recording. Just change the angle. Boom. Record. Now I want here. I love this system. Very, very nice. Alright. And last but not least, almost forgot, the universal tube clamp. This one has a little tab. Let me share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. But it comes some paperwork in there, and then the main compartment. It comes like in a nice little organized. That part was there. Back. Oh, this feels nice. Feels good quality. And then we have, for example, how I would use this one on one end. So I guess we would unscrew. This is not a review, just a first impression, so don't worry, there will be that. Again with the, nice. So one, and on the other end, again, one little thing. Nice. So this way I can clip this to any part of the bike. Not clip, but like put it on any part of the bike. It has a nice little rubber. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it properly. Move it to the light a little bit more. There's a nice little rubber, and it comes with an extra rubber piece to protect the frame. So this would go like in the seat stay if I want to. Put it there. And we have, again, a quick release. Very nice. And still comes with another one of those. So we can put this on the GoPro. This being the quick release already, we can save that. And again, recording, take out, put on the bicycle, on the frame, somewhere I'm passing by. And now, easy peasy. I like this solution so much. It makes so much easier to record when it's just as simple as that. Because I've realized that if it's not easy to get your camera and record, you will not record. And then I cannot share you guys the things that are happening on the events, on the races, on the random vlogs. So I'm very, very excited to start actually using it and giving you guys a proper review. I'm gonna use it for a little while, at least 2-3 weeks, put it to use and see also maybe if there's any kind of feedback improvement that I can give. But don't forget, if you want to order something like this that you think you might need for your rides, for anything like that, there's a affiliate link, and there's also a discount code, 10% for you guys take off. So let's get to testing and review.
There you go. No?
Alright, so as you can see, it has been a while changing the background scenario, and also I got a new microphone. Let me know if this is any good or if it's worse than what I was using before. But I've been using the Telesin Chest rig and the tripod, and also of course the universal clamp for a while now, and I want to give you guys my opinion, my review, my feedback. So if you're thinking about getting something like this, you can have a better informed opinion. Starting straight with these three, this is the one that I use the least. That's just because it requires going somewhere, setting up, going back, passing by, going back again to pick it up. But if you're making content and you are solo, this is a must. Being able to clamp these to, for example, a sign, so then you can record yourself riding, driving, skating by, whatever it is that you're filming. It's super, super helpful. It's really, really nice to have this in hand whenever you need. Also, like I used a lot in the bike frame itself. Like if I wanted to put on the handlebar, on the seat stay or something like that, it's very nice to get like a nice little different angle. But this was the one that I used the least. The quality is amazing. The like this metal build, it feels solid and strong. The clamp itself it's big, it has protection so it didn't scratch my frame or anything. But these two are like my bread and butter when I'm making content. I love to have these on my chest, so I have that nice POV when I'm riding, following someone, or just have it there. It's super nice. The construction, again, well built. The padding in the back, it's super nice. Wide enough that you feel the camera stable in the chest. Oops. The camera there stable in the chest. So that's really, really nice. Easy to set up, just put around and clip with the adjustable. I really like it. This is 100% with me whenever I'm going out to ride, to make videos, record and everything. And of course, the tripod. This is some kind of solution that I already used before, with Telesin, another brand, where I can extend just for a little bit more reach, and also works as the tripod. Again, the build quality feels very nice, plasticky but good build. It doesn't feel like that super cheap plastic. The only thing that I wish it could be done is, instead of having these like two adapters, one adapter to get the quick release, because these is sold basically without the quick release adapter. And oops, oh sorry buddy, fell right on the dog's head. So it's sold as this with the GoPro mount, but I really wanted to have and use the quick release adapter because that's something I really need. When I'm recording, most of the time I will be recording like this. I'll have, of course, the GoPro on it, and this is in my hand, this is in the pocket, so when I need to just pick it, and then I can film someone passing by, I can talk to the camera, it's really nice. But when I need change view, I want to ride, I need both my hands on the handlebar, super easy, get out to the chest, and that's done. I really love having this. It really suits how I make my videos. It really suits how I ride and the kind of content I make. So I really, really like it, and I really recommend if that's something you're looking into. I couldn't find many cons because honestly, there's not many places that could have gone wrong other than the build quality, which I like it very much. I mentioned in the first impression part of the video, the clicky feel of when you put on the quick release and you really feel that it's there and it's locked, gives such a confidence when I'm riding that I know that it's not gonna just wobble and fall out of the tripod, of the chest mount. So I really like how they built it. Like I said in the beginning also, they sent me all the product. I have affiliate link, so if you decide to get it for yourself, it will help me out a little bit. But I hope this was useful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.